Sir,
Yeah.
you will start, sir.
Okay. So next is we are going to show what is the average cost of a book. So what we can do is make a copy of this by pressing Control D. You are making a copy of it, but it is the same value only. So when you come to the setup in this here you can see it is shown as sum. So click on that, and then here in the aggregation you change it as average. So it will show 4,380 rupees as average. And the title can be changed as average cost of a book. Please do it. Average cost of a book. Do it. Now after this, we will find out what is the average discount allowed. Okay. To find out the discount, average discount, what I will do, I will make a copy of this. Control D and keep it downwards somewhere here. And then this metric, the value is what we should bring is discount. So go to the discount and drag and drop it over here like this. So discount will come. Only thing is it is added together. All the discount is added together because you can see sum here. Sum means adding only, no? So click here and then say average. So it will be showing as the average. You can see it is 15% average is the average discount. Okay. And next is I wanted to know the median year of publication. So what I will do, I will make a copy of this. Control D, keep it downwards like this. And here I will bring in year of publication. Drag and drop the year of publication. And click here and say I need not that count distinct, but I need median. When you click it, it will show median year of publication. I will give you some time to make it. One more thing I will do, that is about the average delivery days. Okay, so for that I will click on this Control D and bring it over here. What I need is the metric is delivery days. You can see here delivery days. Drag and drop it here. It will add all the delivery days together. But what we need is average. So here you can put the name as average delivery days. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Please do it. So follow, it should be properly arranged like this. Okay. Yes, that's I have shown you how to increase the font size. Select it, come to the style, and here is it. Here is it. Label font size is say 36 now. If I want to increase, I can just go for increasing it to 48. See, it is increased that way. Somebody was asking me how to reduce the font size and or increase the font size. All features are there only. Only thing is you have to just, it's very small. That window is very small. Okay, so you have to go by those small ideas and then you can bring it. So this is what the key performance indicators. Key performance indicators. So here I wanted to write key performance indicators. So I will give you 3 minutes. Just do all these things. Average option is not available. Click here in the setup, come to this pencil, click here, and here aggregation. When you click, average is there. You have to look at the place where it is available. I have been telling, no, all those calculations are available in this editing button. Average delivery days. Here you have to say aggregate is average. Please do it. So all these 6 things you have to do. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Jaldi karo. What percentage? Where I have gone for the percentage discount? There is no percentage possible. You can see here discount in percentage because the values are in percentage. That is why it is shown as percentage, discount percentage. Here you can say average discount. Average discount allowed. Okay, so all the things have been done. Very good, very good. So hope people have done it. 1 more minute. Do it. It should be arranged properly. How will you arrange it? See the screen. I am selecting the first row of items. For example, I am just keeping it little away like this. Arrange all the 3 together like this. Select all the 3 together. Right click. Align vertically middle. So that you can see all of them have come to the same line. Same thing. Here also you can see if I have kept it like this, I can arrange them, select them together, right click, align vertically to the middle. So this way you can arrange them properly. So above this, I wanted to say that these are key performance indicators. To have a text here, this is the option. See this please? This is the text option. Click here and drag it. There you can bring in the text over there. So I am typing key performance indicators. So now it is letter is very small. Control 8. Everything is selected. You can see here on the right hand side, font color is white. You can change it to a different color. I am going it for orange color. I'm saying that it is 28. Yeah, it has come up well. And I wanted to change the font to a different one. Yes. See, nicely it has come up. Key performance indicators. Do this, please. So when you select something, here the features are there. Have you done it? Key performance indicators, have you done it? Is it difficult? Yeah, very good. Okay. Others, please message. Yeah. It's very simple that way. Now, if you want to keep them together, select all these how to get the text box. So this is the text box. No, I have been showing it. This is the text box. Click here, click here. That's all you need to do. Okay. Now select them together, all of them together, and make right click here. On the top of it, you will get the group option so that everything will move together like this. And there is a red line in the middle. It keeps exactly in the middle. That is important. So arrangement also will be good. Please do it. Grouping. So far what we have done is only the scorecards. Now we are going to show different other variations. Okay. So this is in the edit mode. Yeah, do it, please. Do it. One or two people should say that you have grouped it. See, now this is in the edit mode. When you click on this view button on the top, you can see that it has become a report. That symbol it is. Okay. How will you group? Simply select everything together. Right click. Here is the group option. No, same thing. No, every software has the same feature. Select everything together like this. Drag and then right click. Here is the group option. Okay. So click and see the view button. You can see the report like this. You have shown the key performance indicators. Okay. Now we will start with building the other other graphs, different graphs. So in this, what I have done is, you can see here, key for this is it. School-wise procurement. For each school, how many books have been purchased? This is what we are going to learn. How to create, make this, how many books have been purchased for each school. Like that, we will do it. So for that, what you have to do is, total number of books purchased is how many? 4,677. And you wanted to divide it among schools. How many schools are there? 5 schools. So the value 4,677 is called a metric. We know that. Already we have, when you click here, you will see that it is a, sorry, ungroup and show you. You can see that it's a metric. Here it says it's a metric. See, it's a metric. So this metric has to be divided among 5 schools. The school concept is called dimension. So 4,677 metric has to be divided among 5 schools, the dimension. Okay, so I'm going to create the first graph. Click here in the add a chart and come to this particular bar chart. Okay, are you following me? Add a chart and click on this bar chart. Click here and then drag it. Drag it. So when you drag it, you can see it. So it shows a year of publication, it says, and the school's names are there. But what we need is dimension school is correct. But here what you want is the record count. You can drag and drop the record count like this. Year of publication, you can avoid. This here there is an into mark, remove it. It will go. So you can see now each school, how many books they have purchased is there. But we will change the color and all. So dimension is school, metric is record count. Do it, please. Giving you 2 minutes. Jaldi karo. This is it. This is what I have done. Are you getting something like this? Say yes, please. Yeah, that's it. If you get this, formatting is very easy. Okay. For formatting, what you have to do? First, here it is very close, this line. So you can bring the cursor over here and slowly drag it back like this. What I did is I brought the cursor close to this line. So it will become a two line. Then you can slowly bring it like this. Okay, so this should be legible. Here the name should be school-wise procurement. And in this, the number should also appear. Okay, so let us see how to do it. Select this, come to the style. Okay, there you can scroll down. I am changing the color. Click here, change the color to orange. Okay, come down. These are not to be changed. Then come slowly down. X-axis, font is Arial, its size is 12. This is X-axis. Okay, it is 12 now. I will increase it to something like, see, it is increasing now, size is increasing, but it's too much. So I will go for 14. It's okay. And then I will say bold letters. Done. Now come slowly come down. There is y-axis. This is the y-axis. So school names are there. I will say I will increase it. You can see that school names are increasing with the 14 sizes looking very good. Okay, now I need the values here. So it is called, let us see whether it is there or not. Show data labels. Can you see this on the top? It is show data. When you click here, the data labels are visible now. Okay, and the data labels I wanted to be little more bigger. Font size is auto. You say it is to be increased to something like 14. So it is very much visible. Okay, you can, and this record account I wanted to change. So click here and come to the setup. Here in the record account, you say number of books by schools. Like that you can write. Okay. And then again in the style, you can go downwards and change the color, background color to dark black, font border color to white. This is how we have been doing for all. Border weight as 4. Okay, so everything is done. Please do it. I'll give you 2 minutes. Jaldi karo. This is school-wise purchase of books. Yeah, very good. So is it looking like this? Color can be different. So here I wanted a name also for this. You can click this, make a copy of it, Control D, and bring it over here. And type school-wise procurement of books. School-wise procurement of books. Give a title like that. So here two values are there. One is metric, the other is dimension. Metric and dimension. Both are required for this type of value. Only for scorecard, one value is there. With metric only we can manage. Whereas with all other visualization, you need two values, which are the metric and dimension. Here, number of books is metric, school is dimension. So if you know this, I am asking you to create a diagram like this. What is this? This is actually a
Pie chart.
donut chart. Yeah, try to do that. Try this, please. Type of book we have here. Last item is type of book. So with that, you create a graph. Try, please. I'll give you 3 minutes. Just do it. Okay. Hope you are trying. Or else you can see here what I'm doing. Add a chart. You can go for this donut chart here. Click on that. Drag it. That simple it is. When you drag it, it is asking for two things. Here it is school and here it is record count. So school wise record. But what I need is not school, but a type of book. Click here and select for the type of book. You can see the number changing. Yeah, textbook, reference book, monograph, handbook, and proceedings. All the legend has come. All these things are there. Now, but here it is percentage. I wanted to change it. So come to the style, slowly come down. You can see here inner radius is like this. You can increase or you can decrease, means it will be like this. Okay, so anyway, it is a donut chart. If you want a single color, that is also possible. This way. Here I will go by the standard orange color. And then below that, I don't want this percentage. What I need is percentage I will remove and say value. So the exact number will come. So textbooks are 1667. For proceedings are 248. That way I have done it. If you want to increase the size of this legend, come down slowly. Here it is. Font size is auto. You can say I need a little bit bigger, like 24. Yeah, it is too big. So I will say not 24, little more smaller, like 18. Yeah, you can see here, it has come up very well. Now for this border and the interior thing, you can come down slowly. What the same thing what we were doing earlier. Select this background. Border color is white. Its line is 4. So that's it. Do it, please. Very good. Very good. So here also a title is required. Can make a copy of this, bring it over here. Purchase by type of book. Very good, very good. Yes, that means you have learned it. That simple it is. It's a very simple thing. Only thing is you have to just use your logic. Okay. percentage from the pie. Yeah, that's a good question. Select it and come to this style. Okay, and come down slowly. Slowly, when you come down, label is there. Can you see this label? There, slice label is value. Earlier it was percentage. Now it is percentage. What you can do is you can say it is value. Okay, that's it. Font size also you can increase a little, like something like 28. Yeah, 28 is too big. So I will say not 28, but 20. Yeah, now it is visible. That's it. That's it. So this way you can make a what is that? A visualization for the type of items. In this case, I have used a donut chart. Okay, that's it. And finally, here below there is one table. You can see serial number is there, school is there, number of books, amount spent, and savings. How much savings we got? Okay, so let us see how to do it. The table is there. Here we have to make the table. So I will go to add a chart. Table I will select and drag it from here to here. So automatically serial number will come. Okay. Then in the setup, schools have come. Okay. See what it is. Schools names is there. Number of books I need. So here you can say record count is number of books. So I will select, say that number of books. Next, what I need is I can add one more metric here. What is final price? When I add it, it will bring all the cost of the books together. So this is number of books. Final price is there. Okay. So I will just keep this line closer to this. This also I will bring closer to this. So it is number of books. Now final price is there. But what I wanted to know is how much each school has saved through discount. So how will you do that? Here there are two values. Original price. Original price is here. And here it is final price. Original price minus final price is the saving. Okay. So for that, there is no variable is there. You have to create a variable by minusing it. So I will click on add a field, calculated field. Then it comes like this. Here you can say savings. That is the name of that particular. I think I have already savings is there created already, but I will say savings 1. Okay. Then here what you have to do is from here you can say original price. Then minus final price. So if this accepts, you can see it is accepted. Otherwise, no, it will say fault. It is accepted. So name of this is calculated savings 1. I'm just saving it. And then click on the done button. So here you can see it will come up like some savings 1, something like that. It will come up. Wait, we will find out. Yes. Savings 1. You can see here, it has come up. So I have created, this shows that it is a calculated field. So here what I will do, I will just drag and drop it over here. For each school, how much of saving is there? That is it. You can see it has come. Now I will bring it from here to here. Okay. Just do it this much, please. So you want me to repeat? I will ready to repeat. This is serial number. This is name of school. Number of books. All are here. Number of books. Final price is here. And then savings. Savings is out of calculated field. For getting a calculated field, click on the add a field. Add a calculated field. And then give a name. Savings 2. This time I am giving a name savings 2. So original price is here minus final price. So it is there was a red mark. Okay, now it is gone, means it is accepted. When I save it, when I do it, you can see here it will come up here, savings 2. So this way you can have a calculated variable for that. Savings 2 has come. So that can be brought over here. It is here. So for each school, we have created how many books have been purchased for each school, how much amount have been spent, what is the savings. Now you have to format it. Come to the style, same formatting, whatever you have done earlier, no? Font size for this header, I will say 14, no, I need a little more bigger. 18, yes, you can see that it has become bigger. Then below, I will change the font color to orange, the top only. Okay, and then come down slowly. Table labels, it is 12 only. This is 12 only. So I will say I need a little more bigger, like 16. Yes, it has become visible now. You can arrange it properly. Okay, now this is towards the right side. This is right side. This is also right. I wanted to bring them towards the middle. How to bring it to the middle? Okay, let us see. So for that, yeah, what I should do is I have to come down slowly. And here you can see, this is dimension. I don't want to change its alignment. Metric 1, this is metric 1. I will say middle. You can see it has come to the middle. Next one, middle. So this value has come to the middle. And finally, this one. This also will come. So savings as well as so everything. School wise, number of books, final price, savings. All these things are here. There's one is there which can be avoided easily. Come here and then click here and say savings. Only savings. No, one is there. That's all. So it is changed. All these things have come up nicely. Now you can have the original style. Go for the background color, dark black, and then border color as white. Okay. And the border thickness as 4. Now in between, all the lines can be changed. Its color can be changed. Okay. That also is possible. You can see here. It is somewhere here. Yeah, you can see odd row color and odd even row color. I will select even row color and go for a slight change. See, this way you can make a change. Okay, this is how a table can be created. Please try, please. I will give you 3 to 4 minutes. Jaldi karo. The only thing is from here and there you arrange it. That's all. Once you have done it, you tell me. So purchase details, school wise, number of books, final price and savings. So by now you have got a basic idea of creating this. Okay. Those who have done this much have got a wonderful idea about how to create it. Say something, please, if you have done. Very good, very good. You other changes? No, no. Again, there is no time, Vaishakha. It's very difficult. No, entire thing to repeat means. See, what you have to do is click here and go to this. I'll ungroup it. See, when you select a table, here in the style option, all things are there. Whatever, only thing is you have to see. Okay, I know it is little smaller. In a laptop, it is smaller. In a tabletop, it is little, or desktop, it is bigger. So just see this. It is the words mean it, what to do. Okay, so do it that way. Yeah, that's it. Now what I wanted is actually how we can control the visualization. Okay, how to control the visualization means we have to select a period or a school like that. If you wanted to do, no, how we can do it, that's what I wanted to show you. Here is it. Add a control. Please see this. Add a control, click on it, and then you can go for a drop down list and simply drag it from here. It's a drop down list. So what should be there, we will see. So it says type of book. I don't want that. What I need is school-wise data I need. So I have to bring in the data of schools. So in the setup, you can see here, select it, and then it says type of book. I don't want that. I want the school. So bring here, school is there. So automatically the name school will come. So what we can do is, in this, okay, click here and say display name is select a school name. Okay, like that you can type, and then its size can be increased a little bit. Font color is white, 14, I will change to 18, so it becomes big. And inside this, there is a list of schools when you click it. So that also should be bigger. Okay, so here it is. This is 18, so this also should be 18. 18. So when you click here, now you can see that it has become 18. And here on the right hand side, it says year of publication. This we don't want. So how it has come up in the setup, you can see here, year of publication is there as a metric. Don't want. Only select the school name. It is there. And then you have made the first control. Now I am clicking in this and then selecting only a school. See what is happening. The entire data changes to suit that selection. This is the control that we are having. Okay, select it. Select all means it will come back. I will tell one more time how to use a control. So after entering the data, go to add a control, drop down list, drag it, and then you are getting some, it says school, but what we need, the name should be, click here and then say select a school name, because that is the instruction that you can give there. Okay, and then its size can be increased a little. Select this, go to style, and then font size, now it is 14, you say it is 18, so it becomes bigger. Now within this there is a list. This is very small, so here it is there, list text size. Click here, say it is also 18. So when you click here, you can see the list is becoming big. Only thing is here some numbers are there. You don't want that. For that, in the setup, don't use a metric at all. Click here. Now only this is there. Okay, you can see that school names are there. Now, if you want to make the changes in this, again come to the style. Say I want the colors, background color is dark black, the border is white with the thickness 4 point. That's it. You have created the So try this, please. Control. Check whether it is working. Very good. Very good. If you have done it, it's wonderful. You learned it. Yeah. Same way you can create the control for date also. Very good. Very good. See how I am doing that for date control. Come here. Date control is there. Date range control. Click on that. I'm just going because I have to show you Excel also. That's it. Select this. This is the date control. It says select a date range. Okay. I'm doing the same thing. Background color is dark black. Border color is white. Okay. And its thickness is 4. But the font is very small. So I will say font size is, I will say little more bigger, 18. Yeah, it has come. Now, when you click here, actually it will show this date picker. Okay. So this is what you have to do. Now, when you view only, it will start working. Click here, and our date is 2022 onwards. So I will select 2023 January 1st to 2023 January 31st. So in this 1 month, from 1st to 31st of 2023 January, what has been purchased? Click apply. You will see that there have been purchase of 34 books were purchased during that period. How nice it is. You understood now? All the details related to that is there. So please do it. I will give you time for these two. Please do it. Then I will shift on to Excel. Say yes if you have done. So you can create this and it can be made a part of a website, a web page it will be. It can be converted into a web, it can be embedded on a web page. Okay, okay. That means you people have done it. Now, what I did is, here if you say in this, no, you can see on the top there is this picture and all. So what I did is in a Canva, I have generated this picture. Okay, I created this picture and placed it. You can see this is actually a picture. So same thing I will share with you people also. You can keep it behind it. So how to bring it that picture? Go to edit and then click here. This is the image option. Upload from the computer. Go to the downloads. In my downloads, this picture is there. Click open. It will come. This is the picture. I just kept it over here just like this. Then I drew it just like this. Not size is different. Maybe, yeah, I have used a different size. Maybe that is the reason. Okay, let us see. Now everything is covered because this is on the top. Right click, order, send to back. Everything will come back. That's it. So this way you can even have a picture. Design can be of yours. For example, your college name, everything, you can keep it like this and then you can arrange it. Okay. So now this can be shared also. Shared with others over For example, click here, you will get an embedded report. Embedded means where will you embed it? In a website. Click on this, you are getting the code. Okay, I will say 2000 and yeah, 2000 into 2830, copy to clipboard. I will say copy to clipboard. And I'm going to create a website. Go to new button, more, Google Sites. Click on that. Here in this page, go to this embed option, embed code, paste it, click next, insert. The same visualization you are getting here. So it says it cannot see because it is from somewhere else. I will just click here and say, you can't, some access problem only it is there. Let me check. There's a problem to connect. Okay, switch account is there. Yeah, let me try that. Once it takes a lot. No, it's difficult because of the size only. That is the problem. Click here again. I will go for click embed report. This time I will go by this values only. Click copy to clipboard. Come here. Embed code. Paste it. Click next. Insert. Yeah, this time it will be in my hand. So this type of diagnosis you should know. So in this case, I will say it is not the account. No, it's not allowing me to change also. That is the problem. So actually it will get embedded in this page. Okay, you can also try. I have what I did is I have created a web page, new, more. Here, Google Sites is there. Click on that and then come to this embed option. Embed code is there. Here you copy that. Here we got now. When you click here, embed report, this code you have to keep it over here. That is how you have to make a website. Okay, in that you can share it, and then that can be shared with others. That is one way of doing it. Otherwise, the option is you can download a report. But when you download it, it won't be interactive. What you see on the screen will be converted into a PDF file. Only that much. Now, if I click here and then get the report link, this report will be there. I can share with anybody. Only thing is they should be of my institute because I have created with my institute account. That is why. Okay. So if I share with you, you have to get. I have to give you permission. Then only you can see it because I have created. If I have created in a personal account, surely it will be easy that way. Okay. So these are the methods by which it can be shared. So to view, you have to click on this view button. It will be like this. Then to come back for editing, you have to click on the edit button. And if you are making some changes here, for example, you are clicking on one item like this, and everything changes to suit that selection. This is 1500, you can see 1580. To come back, there are two buttons, reset, reset. Both are equally good. You click it, it will come back to its original situation. So this is what the interactive nature. Here, in this case, even I have created two pages. You can see second page, actually, I have the year of publication as a line graph. So here again, this is subject-wise details of books, which I have already done. Okay, amount spent, savings, median year of publication for each book, it is there. So this way, second page I can create. And then here also there is a link I have created to first page. You can go from here. Okay. And in the view button only it is possible. When you click here, I can click on this, and it will take me to page 1. And at the end of the page, I have the link to go to page number 2. It is simply type the text and select it. You will see the option for adding the link. Okay, try all these things. And I will say that there are wonderful videos on the internet in YouTube, how to create dashboard using Google Looker Studio. Remember that what you have to do is Google Looker Studio, Looker, because its name was changed some 2 months back only. Earlier it was Looker Studio. Now it is Google Data Studio. This is how you have to do it. So many things can be done. Whatever I have told you is only minimal thing. So try to learn it. This is take it as a just a step only to see what exactly it is. Then later on you have to see these videos and then do it. Okay. So you can use the data that I have given, or what you can do is you can ask GPT to generate a data set. I need all these things and provide me a data set. You can ask GPT, then it will give you. Now I will show you what cloud has given. Cloud means you know that CLAUDE. So it has a chat part and a cowork part. In the cowork part, and cowork is available only for those who pay for it. Okay, subscription you have to pay. So here I will say whether cloud design can help in dashboard building with a if data is supplied. I asked. See, it says yes, you give me the data. So I uploaded the data. Then you can see, then it asked me certain questions. What is the data? What should be there? All those things it asked me. Then I reply. Again, it asked me a set of questions. And finally, you won't believe I got this this wonderful visualization. You can see here what are all there. It says all the years data is shown here. 2022 alone. See, 23 alone, 24 alone. Okay. Then for which school? Computer science school. This way it has given. And then do you want for all suppliers? Suppliers list is there. Publisher wise, type of book wise, mode of purchase wise. Then click on this, so it will reset everything. Now you can see monthly purchase, compare yearly purchase. You can see here, and then comes here. You can see where the budget goes, which school spends the budget more. You can see life sciences have spent the budget more. Top 10 subjects, which subjects have purchased the maximum number of books. Supplier perform, which supplier has given us average delivery days. So it says this supplier, scholarly supplies has given us in 22.4 days. This is how. So we will depend on these people only. The first 5 people only will select and then give them. But provided they also should give us a better discount. Okay. So that is there. Then comes value obtained by discount by publisher. Publisher by discount. Is the collection current? Are you buying old books or not? You can see here. This is 2-year-old, 8-year-old, like that. You can see 21 to 24-year-old. 600 books have been purchased. People won't appreciate it. It's a bad idea to buy old books. Okay, so that's it. You can see this color shows that these are latest books. These are the oldest books. Then how and what we acquire. So through vendor, so you can see here that for all that also here is the data. So you can see here source is book purchase data provided by me, 4,677 data. Everything I have uploaded, and this is through cloud facility it is giving me. And even ChatGPT also will provide you, but not this of this clarity. Okay, it will provide you. Now, what I will do is I will show you how this can be done in the case of Excel also. Just follow me. We have minimum time only, but I'll just show you that. You can just like there are videos on YouTube for this also. So this you can take it as a beginning. So this is the data for the purchase of books. You can see the same data only. Okay, what I will do is initially I will just click on somewhere and go to step 1, go to insert, say pivot chart or pivot table. Click on that. So what I did, clicked somewhere in the table. I went for insert pivot table. So it is asking select the table range. This is the one. The entire table has been selected. Now new workbook. Automatically it will create a new worksheet. Click OK. It is ready. Okay. You can see here. This is the data from where it has created a sheet. And you can see all the variables are listed here. Delivery date, school, subject, all these things are there. Now I wanted to know what is the school-wise purchase of books. So what you have to do in this pivot table fields, select the school. Automatically it comes to the row. Okay, and I wanted to know the number of books purchased. You can go by this final price only. Simply click over there. You can see that all these things have been added there. But it is taking the total number of, sorry, total amount spent for each school. But what I need is only the number of books. So what you can do is click here and say value field settings. I want only the count, not the total. When you click it, see the number 4,677. Each school, how many books have been purchased. Okay, so this way you can easily identify. Even if you are going for year of publication type of book also, it will give the same count only. Okay, so that's it. Now I wanted to convert this into a graph. So I am just clicking anywhere on this, going to insert, click on this graph, click here, ready, table is ready. Okay, out of this, I will remove this. This also I will right click and say hide all field buttons. This value also I will delete. Here I will say purchase of books by schools. Okay, schools. Now I don't want this line. Select it, press delete key. It is gone. Now if you want a shadow, click here, shadow, click here. So it will look nice. Okay, for this also you can create a shadow. It will look nice. And for this data label is always good. Click here, say data label. Okay, data labels have come. You can go for whom and make it bold. My visualization for school-wise purchase of books is ready. Okay, so copy this. I'm just, I know it is little difficult, but follow me properly. So here I am creating a new page and here I will paste it. Okay, I will just bring it over here and then paste it. First visualization is ready. I will go back to this. This I can delete, no issues, but the table will remain. Table is there. That has to be retained because it's a pivot table on which this visualization is there. This is the dashboard. I will say dashboard. And this is pivot table. Okay, now I will copy this because I cannot delete it. Copy and paste it here. One more time. So school and count is there. I wanted to say that it is the total amount. Here I should get the amount. So this time you can go for final count. You can change it as the original value sum. Click OK. So you will get the value. Okay. This can be converted into a graph, a different graph. Click here, insert. You will say a line graph. See, this is it. For each scope, this I will avoid by hiding the button. This also I will delete it. This also I will delete. The amount spent by schools. Okay, I don't want this line. So how to avoid it? You can click over there in the line or click here and say, I don't want grid lines, but I need data labels. This I need. Okay, I will make it bold, but I need this line, a curvy line. So I can select this, come here, smoothen the line. and its thickness I can increase to a little bit different like this. And also I will go for a shadow. For this also a shadow. So I created this. Control C, come back to your dashboard, paste it. Second one in Excel. Okay. What next you want? Type of books. Okay. So what we will do, come here, sorry, in this sheet here, I will say this I will delete. These two I have to retain. Select this, Control C, paste another one again. So here I want this school, I will change it as type of book. Okay, and the amount or number I will go. For getting the number again, I will come back, value field setting, I will say count. Click here. So the numbers are there. Okay, click anywhere here, go to insert, select this pie chart. Okay, and then you say, yeah, let this be there. This I don't want. And then I need what? Data labels is there. Make it bold. Okay, click here and make it visible more. Then say type of books purchased. That is the exact numbers. Okay, and it is I will just make it little more bigger so that the value is visible properly. This also I will say I need a little more bigger, something like this. And again I will go for this. Here I will say I need a shade like this. You can copy this, Control C, come to the dashboard, paste the third one. This is it. Now one more, I will make one more, where what can be done. I will just come here and check out of this, I will say school subject delivery, year of publication. Okay, with that, let me try to make one. Year of publication means it will be a very big one. I'll avoid it. Publisher, order date, delivery days. Okay, mode of purchase I will take up. So I made a mistake here. You can see this should not be lost because if you go there now, you can see it has changed. So it is type of book purchase. So I have to select type of book purchase. Again, it will come back. Actually, I have to retain these three tables. Then only this will work. Okay. So that's it. So it's a good example what has happened here. Now again, I will copy this. Control C. I will go for type of books. Let it be there. For this, I will change it as type of book. I will change as mode of purchase. You can see here how many books, how they have been purchased. Okay. So click here, go to insert any type of table. I will say I will go for this type of a graph. Out of this, I will close this, hide. I will remove this also. And then here I will say that what is that actually? Mode of purchase. Number of books by mode of purchase. Okay, that's it. Now click here and go for the same thing what we have done earlier. Go for a shade because it should look nice. Here also you can go for a shade for that. And this line you don't want. Click here totally. And in the plus you say don't want grid lines. But you need data labels. Okay, that's it. Click here, make it bold. Now you can copy this third one, fourth one, Control C, come back to dashboard. Okay. Now, are we in control of the visualization? Can we control this? That is the question. For example, I wanted to see how each school have done the purchase and all. So how we can do that? So here what I will do, I will select the first one. And here you can see there is an option called analyze. Okay. In that, here there is an option called insert a slicer. I'm just clicking on the slicer. Out of that, I can select a school, a subject, if look at a publisher, okay, type of book, all these things I can select, click OK. You can see that I am getting the slices like this, type of book, okay. And here I will say I need it in 2 columns. You can see column is 1, I will increase it to 2, okay. That's it. So it becomes smaller. Then comes the publisher. I will select this. I need it as a big list only. Subject also I will keep it here as a big list. And then school I will keep it over here. And it is a small list. Okay. Now here I wanted to show a, what is that? The total amount spent. Okay, just below this, I wanted to show the total amount spent. Here, I will merge everything together, and here I wanted to show it. So put an equal sign and come back to your sheet here, and wherever the total cost is there, you click on that and press enter key. You can see that the value comes up. One more time, I will tell you. Here you can put an equal sign, okay, and come back to your sheet here, and this is the total amount, and press enter key. That value comes up here. You can make it to the middle, make it little more bigger, bolder, and this is what total amount spent within bracket rupees. That's it. So total amount comes up. Okay. Now below, if you want the average cost of a book, click here. Below that, what I will do, I will again make it like this. And then in the next sheet, in here, I will make an average of this value. So I will click here, equal sign, this value divided by this value. Press enter key. So you can see it is coming as 4,380. This decimal points I can avoid. You can see I am avoiding it only 4,380. Okay. So what I should do is in the dashboard, here I should put an equal sign. Then I have to come here and click on this. Press enter key means I will get that value. Okay. So I will click here and I will use format painter. See, only thing is I have to reduce again. Now, if I click on the school, you can see only this is changing. Others are not changing. Okay, I'll click back. It comes. When I click here, life sciences, you can see life sciences has come. Only that is changing. We have to connect these also. So you can click here and then come to the options. And here you can see report connections. What I did, I selected this. I have come to the options. Here is the report connections. It says you have to connect to the 3 other people. Click OK. It is connected. Same way, this also you have to click report connections. Click here. Click OK. Same this also. Report connections. All these things you have to select. Same way. Report connections. See, these are all simple things. Only thing is you should know the logic. Now all these are connected. This is the total amount spent. And this is the average cost of a book. All these things you are getting over here. But the original work is happening behind this. Okay. This is also not required. I can delete it because it has been brought over here. All these have come up and the data is from here. It is created as a pivot table in this and it is shown as a dashboard. And it now what I will do, I will click on School of Computer Science. See, only one school is there. So a graph cannot be, but everywhere that change has occurred. I'll click here and go for another school. Same thing happens, avoiding it. I'm going for algorithms. In this school only it is there. Algorithms only for computer science people. Now I will go for LCVR. See, everywhere that change occurred and the total amount has changed. Average cost also have changed. I will go for Pearson. See, change occurs. So this way, even with Excel also, you can create a wonderful dashboard. Now you can do one thing. Click here and select on, Control A. So behind you can give a proper color also, whatever you want, something like this, or you can go for a darker color. Only thing is here that value has gone. So you can go for a lighter color. Okay, because this is a different color. So I will go for yellow color for that and this yellow color. Then I will go for a Control E and a black color. And sorry, yeah, it's a gray color. I will go for a darker black color. Okay, so that's it. This also is yellow. This also is yellow. So you can see again here also there, and on the top you can say which school it is, which college it is. So within this only itself, Excel itself, we could manage a dashboard. Understood? So that's it. How many handbooks have been purchased? This is to avoid the selection. How many textbooks have been purchased and its details, everything comes up. No, all the values are changing up. So this is again creating a dashboard. So there are many tools. I have told you about Google Data Studio, but there is Power BI or Tableau. If you can learn, no, it is good. These are simple things. If you understand the logic, it is simple. Then I have told you Cloud, CLAUDE, Cloud AI is allowing you to co-work with you where you can generate a dashboard, something like this. Okay, just now I have shown you. And this is the ordinary Excel with which also you can generate one. Okay, and this will help you. And for your PhD and also, no, if you want to showcase your data, this is the best way. Analysis is happening automatically. For example, botany, when you select, everything changes to suit that particular selection. So this way you can show all your data in the form of a visualization in Excel itself. Okay. So that's it. Whatever I wanted to tell, only thing is, I don't know how far it has reached you. See that you are collecting this video from the institute. And also there are very good videos on the internet in YouTube. See this and acquire this skill. This is a very good skill which you can attain. That's it. Any questions? No questions? Very good. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Santosh sir, are you there? Santosh sir?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Am I audible, madam?
Yeah.
Hello, good evening all. It is my privilege to place on record the words of gratitude. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Gopakumar sir for his excellent technical sessions of 3 hours. He made every one of us to follow each and every step